Detach the fuck away, nigga. Detach the fuck away. The thing is, stress लेने से भाई कुछ नहीं होगा. I mean, if you use it productively तब सही है. But I believe यार अगर बहुत ज़्यादा stress आ जाता है ना, that is also unproductive. Only a degree of stress can make you productive. And I'm making this video because I am stressed right now. I'm stressed as fuck. मैं सुबह से stressed हूँ भाई. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, मुझे कुछ होना चाहिए था लेकिन हो नहीं रहा. And that's why I'm making this video. I'm making this video for you if you're stressed, bhai. I'm making this video for me. Just fucking detach away. Like, on God. Bhai, results are going to flow in. We don't know when this shit is going to come. We will eat, but I don't know when the fuck I will eat. That's the thing. So just detach away. अगर अभी नहीं हुआ तो भाई 2 महीने बाद होगा. 2 महीने बाद नहीं हुआ, बेंचो 5 महीने बाद होगा. There is no like, fuck me, बेंचो जितनी आवाज़ आ रही है. Yeah, so there is no like fucking time limit, dude. You put this weird fucking time limit कि भाई I want to achieve like this much amount of money by this much amount of time. Like, shut the fuck up, dude. क्यों लगा रहा है time limit? It's just dumb. It's just fucking useless. Just detach away. Focus on the inputs. The thing is, मैं तुम लोगों को चलो थोड़ा बताता हूँ. I was trying to like 2 लोग थे भाई जिनसे मैंने recently बात करी, right? And I was pretty close. Like, I am pretty close to closing them. ठीक है? They can become my clients. But आज सुबह ऐसा हुआ. I messaged them. I called one of them twice. But कोई response नहीं. So when this happened, dude, immediately my stress response my stress level, it went up. I was like, what the fuck? Why are these people not responding to me? क्या पता इनको कोई और agency मिल गई हो, क्या पता ये हो गया हो. What if they become uninterested? What if this guy thinks that he is that this is way too risky for him? ये वो. So what I started doing was, by the way, I woke up at like 6. तो मैं तब से ये कर रहा हूँ. और अभी 3 बजने वाला है. तब से like ऐसे stress में हूँ. So I was like, okay, क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं? Let's do one thing. Let's first call these people. चलो नहीं उठाया. Okay. Secondly, let's message these people on all the different channels in which I can message them, right? And what I can do is, let's make a better pricing policy for this guy, which will be less riskier for him and would increase the chances of me closing him basically. So I created a loom for this guy जिसका मुझे लग रहा था कि भाई हाँ इसके लिए रिस्की है, and another guy just for the sake of giving him value. These people haven't responded to me. These people did not respond to me after like 3-4 hours. So I was like, okay, what the fuck is happening? So that's when I started like getting these thoughts कि भाई क्या हो रहा है? What if I lose these 2 people? They were like so close. I was so close to closing them. But fuck off, dude. नहीं होगा यार. It's like मैं तुम लोग को बताता हूँ क्या होता है यार. It's like a breakup thing. So what happens is that, let's say you are this close to closing a client, you're this close to getting this girl, yeah, you're this close to achieving your shit, and then you celebrate too early, and because of external factors that are created by God to test you, what happens is that वो नहीं होता. अब जो तूने आइडेंटिटी बनाई थी कि मैं ये आइडेंटिटी अचीव करूँगा कि भाई मुझे ये 2 बहुत बाय द वे बड़े क्लाइंट्स हैं, 2 बहुत बड़े क्लाइंट्स मिल जाएंगे, माई रेवेन्यू विल स्काई रॉकेट टू दिस मच अमाउंट, आई विल, मेरा याद है मेरा जो कॉम्पिटिशन था भाई, जो मेरा मजाक उड़ा था, आई विल शो हिम कि ये होगा वो होगा. सो आई स्टार्टेड इमेजिनिंग दीज सिनेरियोज. एंड द थिंग इज, आई डोंट डू दिस, बट बिकॉज ऑफ माई डम फकिंग बिजनेस पार्टनर, वी स्टार्टेड सेलिब्रेटिंग अर्ली. एंड वी स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग दिस आइडेंटिटी कि भाई ये होगा, भाई दिसंबर में हम इतना ग्राइंड करेंगे. लाइक बहन चौथ क्लोज पूरा हुआ नहीं साला, पहले से ही सेलिब्रेट करना शुरू कर दिया. सो दिस थिंग fucked me up really bad आज. And I'm making this video as a reminder to myself and as a reminder to you, just detach away. Because the thing is, what the fuck? एक साला मुश्किल से 7-8 साल का बच्चा भाई 6-7 चिल्ला रहा है बेंचो. अरे भाई की चूत भाई, ब्रेन रॉट पूरा फैल गया है. बट एनीवे, So the thing is, dude, मैं बताता हूँ, dude, you can't control the universe, you can't control God, right? You can't control the external factors, you cannot influence someone's mind, but you can focus on the inputs. What were my inputs? मैंने उनको कॉल करा, मैंने उनसे follow-ups लिए, and I created a Loom video for them. I sent it to them, you know, just so that I can provide them more value, right? And I can increase the chances of me closing them. That's it. Those were the inputs. I did that. अब इसके बाद my thing would have been too कि अब मैं detach कर जाऊँ वही पूरा. And I stopped thinking about this stuff, and I started focusing on something else. But my mind was just going back to it. I was constantly checking WhatsApp, I was constantly checking Instagram to see कि भाई इन चूतियों ने मुझे reply करा या नहीं करा. So that just fucked me up. अब I don't know if I am going to close these people. ठीक है, I don't know. Because the thing is, क्या पता मैं close कर दूँ, and I'm just being too impatient, and that is causing me stress. And because I'm this much stressed, what if this hinders my ability to take decisions and something happens and I actually don't close them? So bhai, the universe doesn't respond well to people who are desperate, to people who operate in fear. The universe responds well, God responds well to someone who is abundant, who has abundant mindset. The thing is, let's say bhai, मैं बना दिया मैंने. I've lost these 2 clients. I don't give a fuck. I will take more follow-ups with them. I will try to provide more value touch points to them. But I don't give a fuck now. Because the thing is, there is abundance. चलो ठीक है, ये लोग नहीं close हुए. I can do just 100 to 200. I can just send 100 to 200 more DMs, and I can get a few responses, and I can start talking to more people. This is the thing. That's it. क्या हो रहा है भाई? There is such a big fucking market. Okay, there is such a big fucking market. So it's just detach away, dude. There is so much abundance, yaar. Seriously. And I was just focusing on these 2 people कि भाई ये दोनों लोग हैं. हाँ भाई, मैं इन लोगों से बहुत पैसा कमा सकता हूँ, but कमा सकता हूँ. I have not closed these people yet. So the thing is, क्या पता यार, this is, let's say I don't close them. So what if it's a sign from God that, let's say this is a sign from God that don't close these 2 people because something better is coming. So I think that is what your mindset should be. The thing is, मैं तुम लोगों से बोल रहा हूँ, a few months back I did not believe in this God shit. I did not believe in this universe type of shit. But the more I progress into my business, the more I work, the more I start believing that there is some external thing controlling everything, and that everything is right. And whatever happens, happens for a reason. The thing is, what you can do is you can focus on the inputs. You can focus on the inputs, you can't focus on the outputs. That is in control of somebody else. That is in control of God, that is in control of, that is in control of the universe. So you can't control all that shit. You can control your inputs. अब मान ले तूने inputs ही नहीं दिए and you fuck up, right? तूने inputs ही नहीं दिए, तू slack off करने लगा, and then you don't get the output, then you blame yourself. But if you have given all the inputs, you have tried your fucking best, just detach away and live with some abundance कि भाई हो जाएगा, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. It doesn't matter, dude. Like, let's say I don't close these 2 clients now, right? I know some opportunity is going to come. Like, ठीक है, I don't close these 2 clients. I've given all my inputs. अब और क्या हो सकता है? अब और मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. अब जो भी करेगा भाई ऊपर वाला बहनचोद, the universe will do it, right? So I believe the universe is always right. Whatever it does, it's always right. तो अगर यूनिवर्स अब भी बोलता है कि नहीं भाई मैं नहीं चाह रहा कि तू ये दोनों क्लाइंट्स क्लोज करे, I would just probably believe that something better is coming. So this creates an abundance type of mindset कि हाँ भाई होगा भाई, like I will get better clients probably, this something better will happen, blah blah blah. So yeah dude, that's the thing. That's it. Like, detach away यार. नहीं close होंगे. I have focused on my inputs and I have focused on my inputs. अब output भाई डिपेंड करेगा ऑन गॉड, राइट? एंड if God says that something better is coming, so don't I'm not going to give you these 2 clients, then that would be even better, because if something better is coming, that means कि भाई जितना मैं इन क्लाइंट से कमा सकता था, मैं उससे ज़्यादा कमाऊँगा किसी और फ्यूचर क्लाइंट से जो मेरे पास आ सकते हैं. So yeah dude, just fucking detach away. It's all good. Life is good. You're going to eat. साला इतनी आवाज़ आती है भाई, मुझे पब्लिक में रिकॉर्ड करना बंद करना पड़ेगा. बट यू आर गोइंग टू ईट, ओके? नाउ अब ये नहीं पता आप कब खाओगे भैंचोद, ठीक है? सो या, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. नाउ आई एम जस्ट फकिंग yapping, बट जस्ट डिटैच अवे, लिव विद abundance, focus on your inputs because you can't control the outputs. And if something happens, something bad happens, it happened for a reason. The universe is trying to protect you. Something worse could have happened, but this happened. Yeah? Coolsies. Bye-bye.